Welcome back or welcome to Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on all of my socials. Well, I had an unfortunate situation to happen. And Best Buy, well, I had to go in. So I had an older iPad that I hadn't used in probably over a year and decided, well, I wanted to use it. Unfortunately, I could not remember my passcode. And that passcode is in an old phone in a drawer, yeah. So a new iPad was in my future. And so since I was buying a new iPad, I decided to get it in this beautiful new color. Oh, is my top 3 favorite colors. Yeah, in this beautiful, hold on. Here we go. In this beautiful pink. The screen size is 10.9 inches, resolution 2360 by 1640, A16 Bionic chip, 64 gigabytes, Apple iPad OS, Bluetooth Wi-Fi, lithium polymer battery, and security feature, touch ID. No, I won't be using that. No one needs my thumbprint. That's just me. That's just me. So is it me? I'm sure it's not just me alone that just loves scrolling through all of the languages from all of the countries. So at least you know how to say hello, hello, if nothing else. Anyway, time to set up my new iPad. And just like that, my newest iPad, we welcome her to the family. I have a pink, of course, and a blue, a North Carolina blue, of course. And my other favorite color is green. So who knows? Green may be next in a couple of years. But anyway, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this quick video, you know what to do on your way out. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. We're almost to 3K. I'm on my way and I need your help. So please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you to join my priceless family. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.
That seems impossible.